Hello everyone, it's Axel again. I was gonna record when there's like a few kids out here. No, there's hundreds. And I didn't think you yet, so they're not here, I guess. So for this intro, I guess we're just playing again. 3 people have viewed my intro. I'm not sure if they watched the whole thing though. You can watch half of it if you want. That's okay. As long as you just watch it. Wait a second. Did I put the camera the right way? Did I put it the right way? So my friend came out last night, finally. What kind of video? Not sure. Maybe. Oh, come on. Maybe. I almost got food. I almost got food poisoning today. I was trying to say. Come on. After I land this trick, I'll move on to the next. Come on. Why am I missing? Oh, yes, finally. Yeah, bubbles. Oh, mask. I wore a dream last night. Is when this mask I worked hard on was like destroyed. Mario is a video game. I can barely see this mask. Oh shoot, I forgot to bring my binoculars out here. E.T. So, for mostly all my tricks of playing, I just bring like bubbles and like etching thing. This thing. All I have is like I mean, I can do drawing on like scraps of a paper plate. they're not coming towards the dumpsters. Please. Please. Ah, shoot. That'd be an awesome shot. Ah. Yay, got it. That is a joke. Remember my video? You guys might not even remember it because no one watches them. But I'm gonna say it anyways. Remember in my video that said intro, why did she come up to me? Yeah, that was a little odd. Asked if I need help. I was like, what do you mean? The scrapes are still on my knees. Surprised my mom didn't notice me curse. When I felt. I'm not allowed to curse. So I told my brother that I don't think she noticed. He's acting like it's all funny. Okay, it's probably nothing. It's it. 2 times Axel's accident. No, 3 times. 5 times Axel is almost. Sorry guys, I keep stuttering. 7 times Axel has accidentally stuttered in a video. Fine. I'm gonna go check the poster. I'm just gonna put this one here. So I'm gonna check the poster after. Let's get the truck done. I was going to go check the poster, but it comes out of nowhere. I guess we're just gonna do the catching thing tonight. Damn, it's starting along this video. Why is the truck just standing there? Fuck. Okay. What about being by the dumpsters? What by the dumpsters? Okay guys, time to run. Okay, never mind, he's just turning around. What? As I was trying to say, I was going to go check the poster. Yeah, it was there. So I'm going to go check the poster. Hopefully I don't notice anything suspicious. Just going to grab my mask. No identity shown. Because apparently my storage space is too full of I don't know what. Trash can is completely clear. I don't know what it is. So I guess I'm just going outside. I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the intro. We're going to get called back inside soon. One funny thing, every time someone's all the way over there, I can still hear them. Some of them don't speak English, so I'm lucky. And I have terrible memory. I think I'm gonna go put like a heart on my poster. The truck is back. Why? They left a few seconds ago. Every time I go to do something to the poster, it just pops up. But I said I'm gonna go check the poster. I said I'm gonna go put a heart on the poster, and then it just shows up. I'm getting confused. My mask smells weird. Why am I sniffing it? You can barely see a tail because like I'm wearing a big shirt, like two of them. It is now freezing out. It is now safe to come outside if you're wearing something warm. Kind of like a sweater, two sweaters, a t-shirt and a sweater. I've now gone to, I think I go to 8 subscribers. I got 8 subscribers. So thank you so much for 8 subscribers. That is as much I've ever gotten. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm gonna go put, I'm just gonna end this video here. See you guys when the box you're in, all my stuff. Alright, bye bye.